In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on Pinterest. Now, the first way is in getting a share of the Pinterest Creator Fund, and your earnings depend on the number of saves, reactions, and tags on your idea pins. And you need to create interesting idea pins to get a good portion of this fund. The second sure way to make money on Pinterest is in getting the Pinterest Creator Program rewards. And this program is mainly for creators to learn how to create great content and interact with experts and sponsors in their specializations. And the rewards are mainly coaching grants and stipends for advertisements and equipment. Another sure way to make money on Pinterest is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs where you can sell their products or services. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or reach pins and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. The next way to make money on Pinterest is selling your own products, merchandise, or services. And you can sell like everything from physical products and digital products to offering advice and security tasks or jobs. And you just need to tag the products or services on your rich pins or product pins or direct potential customers to where they can buy or access the products or services. And you can use the Pinterest shopping tool or Pinterest ads or Pinterest business account to boost your sales. And there's also sponsored content or brand partnership as another sure way to make money on Pinterest. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services as an influencer. And you can just make idea pins or rich pins about the brand, product or service, or mention the brand, product or service on your Pinterest profile. And there are so many platforms where you can connect with more brands. In addition, you can do crowdfunding or fanfunding as another sure way to make money on Pinterest. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support, donations, or tips. And you can also take your Pinterest content, like videos, to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money on Pinterest include getting a share of the Pinterest ad revenue, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, getting a subscription fee for your premium content, completing challenges and contests for pay, collaborating with the top Pinterest users to boost your account and earnings, licensing your content to media houses or other interested parties, creating and selling Pinterest accounts, becoming a Pinterest consultant or talent manager, and launching your career including graphic design and music. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.